Today we're going to be picking this no-name lock. It could be a reproduction lock. I'm not sure, but it doesn't have any kind of markings on it. This is the key. And I've been able to look in through the keyhole lock and see 3, maybe 4 levers in there. And they are real levers. And just to give you the idea of the size, this is a Squire 220. And it's 40 millimeters. This thing is 80 millimeters by 120 millimeters. And this is about 55 millimeters. Okay, so it is a pretty big lock. So let's get to it. We'll put it in the vise and see if we can open it. See, it's locked. And we'll open it so you can see that the key does open it. And we'll use United or UK lock pickers turning tool and a homemade pick wire. And I'll be using some heavy pressure. Go in the back and work my way forward, lifting the levers a little bit at a time. Jump there. Jumped again. Okay. All right, I think I've got it open, but the turning tool isn't long enough to throw the bolt. So let me see if I can do it with a turning tool. Yep. Okay, there we go. It did work. All right, so there we have it. A beast of a lock. And we'll lock it back up. Thanks for watching.